thick sauce alphabet pasta. Come on. There we go. Oh, look at that. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. This might take you back to childhood. We are doing alphabet pasta. Hey! Alphabet pasta on toast. Now, a bit of fun, you know, people don't like to buy the cans for whatever reason. But you know, you can make an alphabet pasta quite easily, and this is fantastic to make with the grands. Oh, come on, it's fantastic to make anyway. It's only pasta and a tomato sauce. Here, Italian pasta, Italian alphabet pasta. Let's cut the top off. I hope the letters are not all in Italian, as I won't be able to understand it. There you go, look at that. I'm only joking. Okay, we've got some fantastic alphabet pasta there, look. What we're going to do, shove that in some boiling water, and we're going to cook it for about 5 minutes, somewhere around about there. We don't want it too soft, because we're going to finish it in the sauce. There you go, come on. Hope it's not in Italian. There we go, we got some water. We want a little bit of salt in there. Don't go crackers. And we want our pasta in there. I'm going to chuck it all in. Oh, about 150 grams, you know. And I think there's about 200 in that packet. Well, you know, not to worry. I want to give that a little stir. Now, the problem is with this, look, and you can see straight away, the alphabet pasta back in the day was all pasta colours. But this is a tricolour in here, orange, green and pasta. Come on, let's get it on. Okay, get yourself a pan on. We'll use this one. We want about 2 tablespoons of butter in there. And we are going to put a little bit of oil in. We don't want the butter to burn, do we? Get the flame on. Now, passata, in the recipe you can use passata. I've got a tin of tomatoes I've blended. That is my passata. Okay. So you don't have to go out your way to buy anything expensive. You can make this with a budget tin of tomatoes. In there, grated onion. No high flame. That's the water content that's giving a little bit of a splattering in the pan. So nice and steady. Soften it up and get a little bit of colour on there. Now you're not going to see all the top names making anything like this. Come on, fun in the kitchen. Nice and gentle cook on there, look. Okay, when you've got a little bit of goldenness going on with those onions, we can start going in with the rest. I want to be going in there with a couple of tablespoons of tomato puree or tomato paste, whatever you know it by. Bring that in, just give that a little quick cooking in there. That's going to deepen the flavour. Only about a minute on there, to be honest. We just want to cook in the flavour. Okay, it's full of flavour, but we need to deepen it. In there, sugar, onion powder, garlic powder, white pepper, celery, salt. If you don't have celery salt, use salt. And we're using a tablespoon of golden syrup. Now you can use corn syrup, anything like that. This is milk powder, optional extra. If you were making a commercial blend, it would have a milk powder in there. In there, your passata, or in my case, blended tin tomatoes. Nice little stir in. In there, ketchup. One of the most used ingredients in a commercial kitchen. It always sneaks in somewhere. And all the folks that say, I don't like ketchup. There you go. In there, about 2 teaspoons of malt vinegar. And we want to be going in with some water. And we want to be giving that a bit of a cooking. Drain your pasta on the side. Now we're cooking this to a little bit of a thickness. Bring this in, and then we're going to add a cornstarch slurry to actually thicken this up. We want a nice gloopy thick tomato sauce that we all remember. So we're just giving this a cooking in here for about 10 minutes. That should bring all that powder, all those flavours together, and then we're going to add our slurry. It's also going to thicken a little bit with it being uncovered. Okay, when you've had about 7 or 8 minutes, we want to be stirring in our cornstarch slurry. We want to be thickening in this. Nice stir on there. And we're going to get this lovely, lovely thick sauce like you would get out of one of those cans. Look at that. Now you don't go too thick on this, okay, and we want to be adding our pasta, our drained pasta in here. Now try not to break it all up, just stir it in nice and gently. And there we have it, alphabet pasta. Come on, let's serve it up. Oh yeah. On there some toast. We always want toast, don't we? On there, thick sauce, alphabet pasta. Come on. There we go. Oh, look at that. Alphabet pasta. Come on, take me back. Now, here's the thing. Leave a comment. Do you see it? Okay, let's get stuck in here. What we got going on? Oh, we've got this fantastic, fantastic sauce with our pasta. Oh, it's absolutely banging. It's a bit more tomatoey than the tomatoey tins, but you know that is not a bad thing. Flavour profile off the charts. Absolutely delicious. Oh, that is really good. That is outstanding. That tomato sauce is delicious. Oh yeah, there you go. You ain't getting no top chefs making that. But you know, it should be fun in the kitchen. Everybody can cook. Come on, get in there with the grands. Or if not, write a proposal in the alphabet letter to your girlfriend or boyfriend. There you go. If you like what we're doing, that is alphabet pasta. If you do like what we're doing, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. We'll catch you in the next video. It's absolutely amazing.